Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Gantt chart in Trello. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your board and logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is go into the power-ups section and then click on add power-ups. In the search field, you're going to search for the Team Gantt power-up, which is this one right here, and just click add on it, click add again, and you're going to have to log into your Team Gantt account, and for some reason could not add power-up. There we go. Now it is added. I am already logged into my Team Gantt account and I have it added to another board. So this is pretty much missing one step. You'll have to log in or create an account if you don't have one. But once you have it, as you can see, if I reload my page, in the top right, we will have a button that says View as Gantt Chart. Just give it a second, and for some reason it is not turned on. Actually, yeah, there we go. Buttons, View and Team Gantt. It appeared right now, and you can then select which chart you want or which board you want. For some reason, I cannot select the current one, or actually, there we go. But I need to select a project. I'm not sure why it's not allowing me to select this one, but it is what it is. Then you can click View and Gantt Chart, and as you can see, I already have some things made. Let me just switch over to that board really quickly. Again, I'm not sure why this is not allowing me to create a new Gantt chart in this one. I am very confused as to why that is happening, but it is what it is. Let me just edit the power-up settings. Maybe I can change something in here. It looks like I cannot, so it is what it is. I'll just go to game dev and switch over there. You should be able to do that. By the way, I'm not sure why it's not allowing me, but click just View and Gantt chart, and as you can see, I have, for example, enemy layouts, ambience, task 1 all connected. I have set up dependencies like so. You just click on these dots and then you can select a dependency by dragging and dropping them like so, and you can also click on each one of them and move them around. You can create a new task by just clicking or adding a new task, just writing, I don't know, test, and you can click these and drag them and drop them wherever you want. You can click here and drag them for the duration like so, and you can modify the percentage and it'll fill out a certain part of the bar. As I mentioned, you can also change the dependencies as well, and you can group them into other groups. As you can see, you can add a task, a milestone, or a group of tasks, and that is pretty much how you create a Gantt chart. You can also go into the cards individually, set them up over here. This here tab will appear. If you check this off, it'll be 100%. You can set start dates and end dates. You can modify it from here, and you can also view it in Team Gantt by that button over there. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.